If a Trello board isn't loading, you might see a blank page, a loading spinner that never finishes, or an error message when opening a board. Yeah, this usually happens because of connection issues, browser data problems, or temporary service outages. But don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll show you several fixes that usually get your Trello boards loading again. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Trello needs a reliable connection to load boards, cards, and activity updates. Next, try refreshing the board page. Sometimes a simple refresh reconnects Trello and loads the board properly. If the board still doesn't load, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can help. Corrupted browser data can sometimes block Trello from loading content. Another possible cause is browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or script blockers, can interfere with Trello board elements. If the problem continues, try opening the board in a different browser or on another device. This helps determine whether the issue is related to your current browser setup. If none of the previous steps work, the issue might be on Trello's side. Occasionally, service outages can temporarily affect board loading, and that's it. One of these fixes usually gets Trello boards loading normally again. If this helped you out, yeah, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech tutorials.